What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. As usual, I'm in a time pressure, so I'm just gonna try to make it up further up where there's a cooler, like, how to put it, like rock formation. And yeah, I also want to take the time to talk about what's next. So lately has been such a roller coaster, but I'm only gonna put up the positives. I have 3 travels planned and I'm super excited for that, and of course I'm gonna record everything. The view up there is amazing, but yeah, that's for another hike. I can't do that right now. But I'm planning to come back here in summer, I think. I'm trying something new. I'm in a time rush, so I'm gonna try to do this dialogue while walking. But yeah, one thing that's also been in my mind recently is despite everything that's happening in my life right now, I found a way to still do the things that I really love, and that's traveling and hiking. And that I also managed to pull off 3 travels so soon. I don't know, I think I haven't really processed that in my mind. From now it's 1 week before I leave, and it's gonna be the longest travel I ever done, so that's kind of scary, but at the same time I'm looking forward to it. Oh yeah, also about the places that I'm gonna travel to. I don't want to spoil here on YouTube, but if you want my travels to be spoiled, you can follow my Instagram. I'm gonna post stories and pictures, of course. So yeah, gonna put it on the screen somewhere. But yeah, this area is really beautiful. I really want to go up in these hills, but it's getting dark in like 2 hours, so I need to get moving soon. Anyways, what I'm also trying to say is now is a really good moment to just really thank myself for always pushing through and always finding ways to do all the things that I really love, and that's mostly traveling. But yeah, there have been many struggles, many mornings where I feel like I always manage to push through, and I'm super grateful for that I have that grinding mentality, and I wish I always will have, because I just have a feeling that the more travels I do, the more I'm gonna grow as a person, and that's really important. A little bit of terrain, but yeah, it's just important to just grow as a person, so you don't just stay in your shell and basically just feel stuck, because that is one of the feelings that I despise.